So update on the scooter. I was gonna buy a battery, but I didn't want to spend the money, so I just used my impact battery. Should work well. Should at least turn on some of the lights. I was connecting some of the wiring, see how far it could get. So let's see what happens when we turn the key. Put you guys right there. So we're getting some beeping and we're getting some lights. So that's good so far. I don't know what that does, but we get no crank, no start yet. We gotta figure that out. Probably on the next video we could probably get it started, but that's looking somewhat promising. Just gotta figure out this beeping noise. But at least it's showing some type of life. But this is gonna be a short one. I'll see y'all later.